Imagine you pay for an expensive software each month that is essential to your work, and one day you're starting your workday, you turn on your laptop, and the software doesn't work. So this leads you to nervously run to the software business's website and track down a consultant. The consultant doesn't reply fast enough. You're getting more and more nervous. The minutes tick away, and you still can't start your workday. Sound familiar? So what if the consultant responded quickly and the whole issue was solved in like 5 minutes, leaving no room for any nervous breakdowns and leaving you with a sense of relief instead of frustration? So yes, if you're working in online customer service, you've got to improve your typing speed. And that's why we're going to be talking about why typing speed matters for customer service agents, why it matters to customers, how you can measure it, and how you can improve it. Most of the work of a customer service agent revolves around contacting existing or potential customers either via email, live chat, or social media. All those channels are based around typing, and the faster you can type, the more customers you can help. So, why does it matter? All customers like fast answers, unless someone is really bored. But usually we like to handle customer service matters as quickly as possible, since a fast response time can actually have a large impact on a business. Like, huge. According to a report from Forrester, 77% of customers believe that valuing their time is one of the most important things a business can do. So this means that whenever a customer feels that they are being neglected, they'll think that the company's to blame and doesn't care for their customers. So it's not surprising that around 55% of US adults will leave an online purchase if they can't get an answer quickly. Even if you know the answer and would eventually provide it, that doesn't mean that your customers are going to be waiting around for it. We actually did a bit of data digging ourselves when preparing our customer service report. If we take a look at the response time data, we can clearly see a correlation between short response times and high customer satisfaction. And companies that stay below the average response time of 1 minute actually score much better customer satisfaction results. So basically, we can assume that fast response times lead to satisfied customers who purchase more. And this is where your typing speed is crucial, since the faster you type, the faster the response rate is. Even if you don't have an answer for them right away, you can at least acknowledge the customer's question with a quick reply to let them know that you're working on it. And that's not all. If you're able to provide faster answers, you'll also be able to handle more cases, both per hour and at the same time. This will allow you to avoid a situation like the women's bathroom line, where the line is getting longer and customers are waiting for an answer just because you can't type fast enough. So, typing speed will not only help you raise the quality of contact, meaning faster answers, but also the number of cases you are able to handle, meaning more chats or emails. Okay, but how do you know if your typing speed is up to standard? Taking a typing speed test. Taking a typing speed test is a great way to test your typing speed, since it will give you an idea of what you're working with. So, during the test, you'll have exactly 1 minute to type in a set of words, and after the test, you'll be given some statistics based on your typing speed. Let's go through them. Words per minute is the number of correctly typed words. This is actually the most basic metric there is when it comes to typing speed. Characters per minute is how many characters you are able to type in per minute. We're also taking a look at CPM because the length of words can affect your WPM. Let's actually pause and take a look because this is getting way too messy. So, for example, if I have a high WPM metric while typing a lot of short words, then I might get the same CPM as someone who was typing in a lot of long words. To even it out, because otherwise it's just like someone with my height competing with someone who's 2 meters tall in basketball. Accuracy is the final metric that shows how many typing errors you made. Each mistake will bring this number down a bit. Accuracy is important since it's one thing to provide a fast answer and another to provide fast answers your customers understand. There's a difference, right? Even if you have a high WPM, that doesn't mean anything if your replies are full of typos and don't make sense. Now, after you take your typing speed test, you'll also see how well you did when compared to others. This should give you a pretty good estimate of how fast you type among other typists. In general, 35 to 40 WPM is how fast an average person can type. Typing anywhere between 60 to 75 WPM puts you on a pro level. And if you're pushing more than 90 WPM, you're clearly some kind of typing champion and you'll have no issue chatting with many customers at the same time without breaking a sweat. So how do you get better at typing? Well, practice, practice, and practice. Like any other thing in life, practice makes perfect. There's not really a hack or a shortcut you can take here to improve your typing speed. It's all about developing proper muscle memory. Your goal is to touch type, typing without looking at the keyboard. You can actually try proper finger placement, where each finger could be responsible for a different set of keys, like this. You can visit Keyboard.com or Typing.com to train your typing for free online. Pick one and try to put in like 15 minutes of typing training each day. Don't force it, since even a short training session can tire out your fingers. So take your time and focus on consistency and accuracy instead of your typing speed. The speed will come over time. You want to focus on creating good habits first. Like I said, practice makes perfect, and it will be worth it. Now you know why typing speed is so important to customer service agents and why you should constantly improve your typing speed. So go try out our typing speed test and share your results in the comments below. See you soon.